Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to deal with low laptop sound, even though the volume is at maximum. To fix it, you can try the method that I will share in this video. Follow these little arrows to follow the steps. Make sure your volume is maximized here, to maximize the sound on your laptop. Every application that is currently open on your laptop will appear here. I will give an example of opening the Filmora application which is not currently on this list. When I have opened it, the Filmora application will also be included in this list. To enter this display, you can also do it via the speaker icon on the taskbar. To do this, you right-click on your mouse then click Open Volume Mixer.